if I'm eating swallow, it's not entering my body very well. Like, I don't know if you guys can relate. I don't understand this lip gloss. It's called magic lip gloss. Like, if you apply it, it will turn pink. I'll be backing her after dressing this fine. I'll still back her. Motherhood. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to a brand new vlog. I just woke up and went straight to what I was supposed to do this morning. And guys, like yesterday, I just decided to remove my nails because I got tired of it. But I don't know if it's just me. Each time I have artificial nails on for some time, I'll just start missing my natural nails. Like yesterday, I just decided to remove these nails that I fixed. I'm here to remove all. Just decided to remove this one so that at least I can eat swallow well. Like if I have this artificial nails on, like if I'm eating swallow, it's not entering my body very well. Like I don't know if you guys can relate. I mean the ladies. If I'm eating swallow, like it's not entering my body very well. So, although why I removed it was because I needed to, clean my daughter's mouth, because since I've been cleaning her mouth, it's doing me as if I'm not doing it well because I have these nails on. And all of a sudden yesterday, I started to miss my natural nails. Like, I decided to take it off. Like, I was tired. So that's just it, guys. I won't be doing much today. Like, and the weather is not really that good. I won't be doing much today. I just give baby food and settle her. So I think I'll think of what we'll be eating. I had to call my husband because he stepped out to know what we'll be eating this morning. So that will be it, guys. I'll still carry you guys along if there is anything I'll be doing. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.